What you're looking at here are PVC windows, already with glass and with net sliding cover. So what I mean with the net sliding cover is like this. There's a net here for mosquito, and all you have to do is to install it because it comes in standard sizes. Now, the prices for 60 by 60, which is 0.6 by 0.6 meter, is 3,199.75. Now, the biggest size that they do is 200 by 120, 1.2 meters, 200 centimeters by 1.2, no? So that is 12,499.75. You can buy this PVC windows, all home hardware in All Star Mall, Talisay. Now, the next size is 1.5 meter by 1.5 meter at 11,999.75. But this is a different brand than what you can find in other hardwares because I've never seen this home design PVC, which is a better made than the one I've seen in other hardwares. And that's what's good about here in All Home, because they have items that's not available in other hardwares. I've been buying stuff here that's not available in other hardwares. And one of this brand is not even available in other hardwares. They have a different brand, the China brand. But this one seems to be the well-made, ready-made windows. This is the 0.8 by 0.8 will be 4,599.75. And 1.2 by 1 meter is 759.75, and 120 by 120 is 8,299.75. And the other size is unsa na siya ga? Pila size ano? 5'8". Okay. Ay na lang naapila. So these are the ready-made PVC windows here in All Home Hardware inside Star Mall, Talisay. So that is it's called the Home Design PVC Ready-Made Windows.